Rushing waters dance over water-smooth stones, creating a song that changes with each bubble and fall. Shimmering colours glisten, reflections changing like faceted diamonds on the surface and down below on the sunlit stones. Crystal clear are the waters that run through these woods, filtered quite literally, naturally, untainted by man. Ever-flowing is the stream, winding through trackways, created by constant flow, never stopping, just happy, going with the flow. Wilderness and passion carries fallen blossom, leaf and stick, on a journey through the land, bobbing and floating, knowing not where they are going, not caring, just happy being in the sunshine, and race of dancing over stones in green-light valley of the ever flow.